Good day, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sylvanus HD. If this is your first time here, kindly click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and also click on the bell icon for notifications so whenever I drop new videos you're always stay updated and notified. Don't also forget to follow me on Instagram at masterblessed. Follow me, let me know the kind of videos you want to see and I'll make that for you guys. And like I said, in case you want to call out any Nigerian celebrity, all you have to do is send me the details on Instagram at Sylvanus HD, and after reviewing it I'll call out the celebrity for you if you are in the right. So, lady calls out Obi Cubana after receiving beating of her life at Cubana Club. Also, actor Zubby Michael shows off a woman and he kissed the woman in the video. Actress Halima Abubakar addresses pervert who sends her John Thomas pictures and all of that. In fact, we have a lot to talk about in this video, but first, let's start with the story of Obi Cubana. A lady has called out Nigerian businessman Obi Cubana after allegedly getting brutalized at his club in Enugu. According to the lady who gave her name as Eze Jessica, she went for a friend's birthday party at the club in Enugu, which was strictly for girls. After a while, she came outside the club with her girlfriend to answer a call when a bouncer suddenly approached them and asked her girlfriend to leave the place. She stepped into the matter and asked the bouncer why he would embarrass her friend like that, and the bouncer began to abuse her. She claimed that the bouncer hit her head on the wall and threw her down the stairs. Sharing her sad story, she called on Obi Cubana and others to come to her aid. In fact, let's take a look at her story. She said, "My name is Eze Jessica and I'm calling at Obi Cubana and the entire Cubana Empire because I was badly molested and brutalized, beaten up at Enugu Cubana branch. Good day, Cubana Empire and my listening audience. My name is Jessica. I am calling at Obi Cubana and the entire Cubana Empire. I was treated very badly yesterday at a friend's birthday party. It is so unfair that there is no respect for ladies at the Cubana branch in Enugu. Yesterday was a very bad experience for me and some other young ladies. I went for a friend birthday party at Cubana Enugu branch, entered inside the party with other invited girls. The party is strictly girls only, no guys was invited. I had a call, so I came out to the passage inside the club with my girlfriend to answer the call. Was still on call when a bouncer came out, was embarrassing my friend, telling her to leave. I had to end the call, and so I came out to the passage inside the club with my friend to answer the call. Was still on the call when a bouncer came out, was embarrassing my friend, telling her to leave. I had to end the call to ask him while he was asking her to leave when he knows we are here for the birthday party. Out anger, my girlfriend left and I have to approach the guy, Eche by name, asking him what happened. Why do he have to embarrass her like that? That we all came together for the birthday party. I told him he shouldn't be rude to Quest like that. Then he told me I will soon join her outside. I asked him if it was our own blood sister, will he treat her this way, or if another guy treat her this way, would he be happy? He told me that the sister wouldn't be in Cubana Club at this time, that she will be sleeping at home. In fact, I should get out and join my friend outside. Before I could say another word, he bounced on me and hit my head on the wall. I fell on the ground because I was on heel. As if that is not enough, he dragged me on the floor from inside the club to the door and threw me on the stairs. As my God have it, my girlfriend that he bounced out called me on the phone to tell me that she's already going home and noticed my crying voice and had to come back to the club and help me into the cab to take me home because I was not myself anymore. This was exactly what I went through yesterday night in the name of attending a friend's birthday party at Cubana Club. I'm in serious pains all over my body. My harmless question now is, does it mean that girls can't celebrate their party in Cubana Club? What have I done to deserve this kind of unfair treatment from a Cubana bouncer? I wasn't in Cubana for any illegal act. Why will I be treated this way? Guys, this is a very, very, very serious matter. I call on the Obi Cubana and the Cubana group management, to investigate this matter because this is a very, very serious issue. But guys, what do you think about this? Do you think, it's wrong for girls to come celebrate their birthday parties in a club at night? Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Moving on. Actor Zubby Michael shows off woman as they share a kiss. Nollywood actor Zubby Michael has melted hearts on social media following the romantic video which he shared via Instagram. The actor shared a video of himself sharing a kiss and having fun with a beautiful lady alleged to be his girlfriend. In another news, the actor recently met with Nana Atiku, daughter of former Vice President of Nigeria Atiku Abubakar, at a hotel in Abuja. In a video, the actor recently traveled to Abuja expressed delight over the presence of the ladies, as he jokingly added that he might not go back to Lagos because he has been captured by their beauty. The The former vice president daughter also uploaded photos of their meeting on her Instagram story. Guys, let's take a look at the video clip of Zubby Michael kissing a lady rumored to be his girlfriend. Roll it. Guys, what do you think about this video? Do you think, or do you know, is this girl Zubby Michael's girlfriend or Zubby Michael's wife? Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section, because me, I don't know Zubby Michael's girlfriend. I don't know if he has a girlfriend or a wife, but if you know, please let us know in the comment section. Moving on, Daddy Freeze advises a man who says his greatest fear is leaving his wealth to his wife and another man enjoying it in the name of love. Media personality Daddy Freeze had advised the young Nigerian man who took to Twitter to share his concern about what will happen to his wife and property if he dies. The man, identified as Shele Pupa, recently revealed that his greatest fear is if his wife falls in love with another man who would now take over all he had labored for while he was alive in the name of love for his wife. He tweeted, "I am not afraid of my brothers taking over anything I left behind because we weren't brought up that way. What I am afraid of is when I die, my wife finding love again and one bastard man now has access to my property via being in love with my wife. This I am very afraid of." Reacting to the tweet, on-air personality Daddy Freeze said he has pondered over another man enjoying his wife and property, and it isn't the most reassuring of thoughts. He, however, advised the man to learn how to let it go and learn to treat his wife well, so that even if he's dead, he will live fondly in her memories. Daddy Freeze wrote, "It's called letting go. Keep it in mind that even while alive, if your wife divorces you, she'll still be entitled to some of your property, and if she remarries, another man will share them with her. Indeed, I have pondered over another man enjoying my wife and property, and this isn't the most reassuring of thoughts. But hey, you don't really have much of a choice, short of coming back as a ghost to haunt them. So be good to her and the kids while alive, and you'd live on fondly in her memories. That's your consolation right there. Putting her in the path of war with your family would only breed bitterness, in my humble opinion." Freeze. Guys, what do you think about this? What do you think about what Daddy Freeze is saying? Like I said yesterday, you know, easy for guy man. You get money, they go knock your wife. You don't get money, they go knock your wife. What did guy man want to do for this world? Hey, guys, I'm not tired. You know, easy for man, no. But let me know what you think about this issue, this pondering issue, in the comment section. Still on the update, actress Halima Abubakar wants private who sends their John Thomas picture and videos to her on her business line. Nollywood actress Halima Abubakar has taken to her Instagram page this afternoon to warn men who are in the habit of sending their John Thomas pictures and videos to her via business line. She stated that 10 people would have seen the footage before she gets to see them. This is what she posted. "Stop sending your John Thomas pic or vid via the number on my bio. 10 people viewed that before me. Don't say I didn't warn you, pervert, dirty boys." Now, wow. So guys, people really still do this stuff. I thought it was only Indian men that do this stuff. Now, wow. If you do this, please desist from this act, because it's a very, 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 very dirty thing to do. Moving on, still on the update, Nigerian man served quick notice to tenants for bringing too many girls to his rented apartment. A notice which captured the reason the Nigerian man was ejected from his rented apartment has gone viral after being shared online. The man was accused of indulging in prostitution and bringing too many girls to his apartment. He was subsequently asked to vacate the apartment this November. The quick notice reads, "Your tenancy agreement expired 30th November 2021 and will not be renewed. Your act of prostitution, in which several girls are brought to the apartment currently occupied by you, can no longer be accepted. Several warnings have been handed over to desist from your indiscriminately sexual activity, but to no avail. You are hereby given to the end of November to vacate the apartment currently occupied by you." Guys, what do you think about this? Do you think this is something, you know, my caretaker can do? But guys, I think this is defamation of character, and you know, I think if someone does this to me, you know, I will not take it like a joke. In fact, I'll take this seriously, and I might end up suing the person, because How will you cope? What do you think I'm doing with the girls or the people coming to my apartment? Why do you think it's prostitution? Guys, if you have a friend that, you know, bring a lot of girls to his house, that, you know, that will likely get this kind of quit notice, please tag them on this video so I can also see this video. That's all for this video, guys. What do you think about everything we talked about in this video, guys? Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. And if you are new here, make sure you click on the red subscribe button, subscribe to this channel. Also click on the bell icon for notifications. Whenever I drop new videos, you're always updated and notified. Follow me on Instagram with @MasterBlessed. I'll really appreciate that. Take care, stay safe. See you later for another interesting video, and peace.